If you're looking for a quick and honest review of Dovetail AI, you're in the right place, because these 7 crucial things can save you hours of trial and error. And trust me, what I discovered by digging deep into this just released AI software was not what I expected. You can try Dovetail AI completely free from the first link below, and I highly recommend doing that after this video. But stay with me, because there's something about how this tool handles unstructured data that's about to change how teams collaborate forever. So here's the deal. Dovetail AI is built for product teams, researchers, and marketers who deal with customer interviews, user feedback, or research data, and need to turn that chaos into structured insights. Think of it like ChatGPT meets Notion, but hyper-focused on turning raw feedback into patterns, tags, and themes you can actually use. The first thing that stands out is how fast it is. You upload transcripts, and within seconds, it gives you suggested highlights, sentiment scores, and grouped insights using natural language processing. And yes, it's shockingly accurate at picking up nuance, even in messy transcripts. Second, it's not just about speed. What blew me away is how intuitive the tagging system is. You can customize tags, group themes, and Dovetail's AI learns what you're doing in real time. That means the more you use it, the smarter it gets at helping you categorize new data. Another thing you need to know, it integrates directly with Zoom, Slack, and Zapier, making it ridiculously easy to pull in calls and feedback automatically. For digital marketers or UX teams, this alone could eliminate a huge chunk of your workflow. Security and collaboration covered. You can control access by team, project, or role, and leave comments directly on insights. It basically turns a wall of text into a living database of customer intelligence. And yes, it's collaborative like Google Docs, but smarter. Dovetail AI also nails visual reporting. You get dynamic charts based on themes and patterns with zero manual input. So if you're building stakeholder reports or trying to justify decisions with data, this is a game changer. Lastly, pricing. They have a generous free plan, and honestly, most smaller teams can get a lot of value without paying anything. But the paid plans unlock advanced AI features, automation, and team-wide collaboration tools, and they're competitively priced compared to tools that don't even offer half as much. So, is Dovetail AI worth it? If you're in research, UX, marketing, or product, and you're still stuck sifting through spreadsheets, Google Docs, or disconnected tools, yes, this is one of the smartest AI workflows I've tested this year, and I've tried thousands. Try it for free from the first link in the description, and if you want more powerful tools like this, I've also listed my top recommended AI softwares in the description below, each one tested and handpicked to save you time, automate more, and level up your workflow.